U MLA jongka umroi constituency na ka party TMC ba George B Lingdo menta ka singi ulalej banjungo ikin Nonghikai School SSA ki bala syong kelain mengor hakmat ka additional secretariat ban yakhi bandawa ya ka tulop ka bala sa mentalah nriu benai ki ba ka Sorkar kampat siu habakren hakilat pathai khubor uba George B Lingdo ulaong baka jingwan jong u ban yakendu yakin Nonghikai SSA kalong ban penpau ya ka jing Sngewthuh ha ka baki Nonghikai ki yakendu ya ka Jingeh bat ha ka ju kapor ban Sngewthuh khambnia ya ka Jingeh jongki ulayathu ru haba ulayo ban yakren bat ki Nonghikai laong baka Sorkar kalabu ya ki daw ki bomshong nia AA ru da ka ba shu khnyat na ka wei ka shuki sha ka wei pat ka shuki ya ka ne ka jingle ka pau baki Nongialam ka Sorkar kimdon ka jing Sngewthuh Jingmut ban Weng ya ka ne ka Jingeh
Ngiwan hangni ban ikundu ikinong kai SSA ban hakani gaji ikundu gujumi yaki ban yakuntamne ikinokit kam jonga sen juki ngikwa ban situ shu ikijinge juki ban ei ka bang ilap long ba ka Sorkar ka la shunyat yaki na goi kami ban haka cukup por nisem ru ba paramaki Hapdeng jok Sorkar bu gedon ru iwe kimeter tekani klau namara shu ka Jingeh ki kampung susu na ka bentak ini na hikai nama para Sorkar imat bidon aku kimia suatu Jingmut kata hikai itu mengisap. Whatever we saw the rankings when today we saw in the papers that the ranking has come down further. It is all because of these lapse in the policies, non-payment of salaries, non-appointment of teachers. At the same time, what we're learning, even the SSA teachers also are falling vacant. The posts are falling vacant. Even those also are not being filled. So if teachers are not there in schools, how do we expect that education to be there? That is what is happening for the past 4.5 years. They have not been handling the financial situation in the state very well. They have been taking loans where not required, and rather than payment of the dues that are meant for the actual expenditure of the government, they are paying the interest for loans that are not required for the government to take. So therefore, this entire fiscal mismanagement is because of the government. So they have to take collective responsibility. They cannot just say that because there is no money, no, we cannot pay. It is a collective responsibility of each and every member who is part of the government to ensure that the responsibilities of government are fulfilled and to get the money for the citizens. But as a responsible opposition, we have kept on reminding the government of its responsibilities towards teachers, both ad hoc as well as the SSC. Now, what we have learned is that the government itself is not in the same line. All of the ministers and the officers and the chief minister, they've been talking in different tones. That is what we are learning from the functionaries. So we are of the view that now it seems that they are not serious to solve this problem. To meet the SSC teachers who have been agitating for the past few days, to listen to their grievances, at the same time also to learn more of the ground realities and the hardships that the teachers have been facing. And after listening to the functionaries of their association, what is very hurtful to learn is that the government has been trying to give them very flimsy reasons and pushing them from one table to the other in order to get their rights. This is learned from them that it also seems that amongst the leaders in the government also they are not talking amongst themselves to ensure that this problem is resolved.